Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode of the Best English Podcast. I am so excited to be here today. My name is Olivia.
And hello, everyone. I am James. It is great to see you. Well, we can't see you, but we know you are listening. Welcome back.
James, today is going to be such an important lesson. Maybe the most important lesson we have ever done.
Really? The most important? Why is that, Olivia?
Because today we are learning the very first thing you need to do in English. We are learning how to introduce yourself.
Ah, you are right. That is number one. When you meet a new friend, when you get a new job, when you travel, you have to introduce yourself.
Exactly. But before we start the lesson, James, we have to ask our wonderful listeners to do something for us.
Yes, please, friends, right now, look at your screen. Do you see that red button, the one that says subscribe?
Please click it. It helps us so much. If you subscribe, you won't miss any of our lessons. And please hit the like button too. It tells YouTube that this is a good video.
Yes, give us a big thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you know exactly when Olivia and I upload a new conversation.
Okay, did you do it? I hope so. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. Now, James, are you ready to start?
I am ready. Let's dive in.
So, imagine you are at a party or maybe a coffee shop. You see someone you want to talk to. What is the first thing you say?
Well, usually you start with a greeting, like hello or hi.
Right. And then the name.
The name. It sounds simple, right? My name is James, but there are actually a few ways to say this.
Yes, the most common way, the one you learn in school, is my name is.
My name is James.
My name is Olivia.
This is perfect. It is correct. It is polite.
But, Olivia, can I interrupt you for a second? Of course, go ahead.
Sometimes in movies or with friends, I hear people say just, I'm James.
Yes, that is very natural. I'm Olivia. It's short for I am.
So, listeners, you can choose. If you're in a formal place, like a business meeting, maybe use my name is.
But if you're just meeting a friend at a park, you can smile and say, Hi, I'm Olivia.
Simple.
James, do you have a nickname?
Oh no, do I have to tell them?
Yes, tell us.
Okay. Sometimes my friends call me Jim or Jimmy, but I prefer James. What about you?
Well, my name is Olivia, but my friends call me Liv, just Liv. Liv.
That is cute. So, listeners, sometimes when you introduce yourself, you can add that. You can say, my name is Olivia, but you can call me Liv.
Oh, that's a great phrase. You can call me. It makes you sound very friendly.
Exactly. It means let's be friends.
Okay, step 2. After the name, people always ask, Where are you from?
This is the classic question. Everyone asks this. They want to know your story.
So, James, where are you from?
I am from the United States. I am American.
Nice. And I am from the UK. I am British.
Listeners, notice that? Olivia said two things. First, the country. I am from the UK. Then, the nationality. I am British.
Yes, be careful with the grammar here. You cannot say, I am from British. That is wrong.
Right. You say I am from country or I am nationality.
Now, James, the United States is huge. It is a giant country. So just saying USA isn't enough, is it?
No, it's not. Usually I say the city too. I say I'm from New York.
Ooh, New York, the Big Apple.
Yes, it is very busy and loud. What about you, Olivia? Where in the UK do you live?
I live in London. It is the capital city. It is also very busy.
So we are both big city people.
I guess so. But what if our listeners are from a small place, a place nobody knows?
That is a great question. If you live in a small village, you can explain it. You can say, I am from a small town near Paris.
Oh, I like that. Using the word near is very helpful. I am from a village near Tokyo, or I am from a town south of Madrid.
It helps people understand the geography.
Exactly. So, listeners, practice right now, out loud. Where are you from?
We're listening.
Good job.
Okay, moving on to the next topic, age. How old are you?
Whoa, James. You can't just ask a lady her age.
Oh, I am so sorry, I forgot.
I am just joking, James. It's okay. But this is an important point for English learners.
Yes, it is. In some cultures, asking how old are you is very normal. You ask it immediately.
But in English-speaking countries like the UK or the USA, it can be a little sensitive, especially for older people.
Right. So usually we don't ask age in the first introduction. We wait until we know the person better.
However, if you want to tell people, you can. It's fine. So how do we say it?
The phrase is, I am number years old.
For example, I am 25 years old.
Or simply, I am 25.
James, do you know a common mistake students make here?
Oh, I think I do. Do they say I have 20 years?
Yes. In Spanish or French, you use the verb have, but in English, you must use the verb to be. I am.
I am 30, not I have 30. Please remember that.
If you don't want to say the exact number, you can use general words. You can say, I'm in my early 20s.
Or I'm in my late 30s.
That is a great tip. It sounds very mysterious.
All right, Olivia, let's talk about work. This is my favorite part of an introduction because you learn what people are passionate about.
True. The question is usually, what do you do?
Note that we don't usually say, what is your job? We say, what do you do? It sounds softer.
So, James, what do you do?
Well, obviously, I am a podcast host. But before this, I was a teacher.
A teacher? That explains why you are so good at explaining things.
Thank you. What about you, Olivia?
I am a podcast host too, but I am also a writer. I write stories for children.
Wow, I didn't know that. That is fascinating.
Thank you. So, listeners, the structure is I am a job.
I am a doctor. I am a student. I am an engineer.
Don't forget the little word a or an. You cannot say I am doctor. You must say I am a doctor.
Correct. Now, what if you don't have a job right now? What if you're looking for a job?
That is a good situation to know. You can say, I am currently looking for work.
Or I am between jobs. That is a nice idiom, between jobs.
Or if you are a mother or father who stays home to take care of the family, that is a very important job. You can say, I am a homemaker.
Or simply, I'm a stay-at-home mom or stay-at-home dad.
Perfect. And James, what if you hate your job? Should you say that in an introduction?
No. Keep it positive. Even if you don't love it, just say what you do and smile. First impressions are important.
True. Don't say, I am a taxi driver and I hate traffic. Just say, I am a taxi driver. Okay, let's get a little more personal. Let's talk about family.
Family is everything. People love to hear about your family.
The common question is, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Or do you have any siblings? Siblings means brothers and sisters together.
So, James, answer the question.
I have a big family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I am the youngest.
The baby of the family. Teasing.
Yes, the baby. They always bossed me around when I was little. James, do this. James, get that.
Aw, poor James.
What about you? Big family or a small family?
Very small. I am an only child.
An only child? That means you have no brothers and no sisters, right?
Exactly. It was just me and my parents. It was very quiet in my house.
That sounds peaceful. My house was crazy, loud, messy, people running everywhere.
Listeners, when you talk about family, you don't need to give their names immediately. You can just say the numbers.
I have one brother, or I have two sisters.
And if you are married, you can say, I am married. If you are not, you can say, I am single.
What if you have kids?
You can say, I have a son or I have a daughter. People love seeing photos of kids, by the way.
Oh, yes. If you say, I have a baby, get your phone ready. People will want to see a picture.
Now we're getting to the really fun part. Hobbies.
Yes, this is how you make friends. You find people who like the same things as you.
The question is, what do you do for fun? Or what are your hobbies? James, tell us, what makes you happy?
Well, I love being outside, so my favorite hobby is hiking.
Hiking, like walking up mountains?
Yes, I love nature, I love the trees, the fresh air. It clears my mind. On weekends, I always go to the mountains.
That sounds very healthy.
It is, but I also have a lazy hobby.
What is the lazy hobby?
I love playing video games.
Really? Video games?
Yes, sometimes after a long day of work, I just want to sit on the sofa and play games for 2 hours. Is that bad?
Not at all. Everyone needs to relax. My hobby is very relaxing too. I love baking.
Baking, like cakes and cookies?
Yes! Cookies, cakes, bread. The whole house smells like sugar and chocolate.
Oh my God, Olivia, you have to bring some cookies to the studio next time.
I will, I promise.
Listeners, notice how Olivia said, I love baking or I like to bake.
You can use I like to or I enjoy.
I enjoy playing soccer. I like watching movies. I love reading books.
Try to add a little detail. Don't just say, I like reading. Say, I like reading mystery novels because they are exciting.
That is a great tip. Adding because helps the conversation keep going.
Okay, let's do a favorites round. This is good for quick introductions.
I'm ready. Ask me anything.
Okay, James, what is your favorite food?
Ooh, this is hard. I love food. But if I have to choose one, pizza.
Pizza? That is so classic.
I know, it's not fancy, but a good pepperoni pizza with extra cheese, it is perfection.
I agree. You can't go wrong with pizza. My favorite food is sushi.
Sushi, fancy. Do you like the raw fish?
I love it. It tastes so fresh, and it is healthy.
See, I can't do raw fish. It scares me a little bit.
You have to try it, James. Be brave.
Maybe one day. Okay, my turn to ask. Olivia, what is your favorite season?
Definitely autumn. Or Americans say fall.
Why autumn?
I love the colors. The leaves turn orange, red, and yellow, and I love wearing big, cozy sweaters. It feels magical.
That is a beautiful description. My favorite season is summer.
Of course it is. You like hiking.
Exactly. I want the sun, the heat, the beach. I hate being cold.
Brr, me too. Winter is too cold in London.
Okay, one more. Favorite animal?
Easy. Dogs. I love dogs. They are so loyal.
The dog versus cat debate. I am a cat person.
No way. You are a cat person?
Yes, cats are chill. They're independent. They don't need to go for walks in the rain.
That is true. Dogs are a lot of work, but they give better hugs.
We can agree to disagree on that one.
Since we are talking about animals, let's talk about pets. This is a very common topic in English introductions.
Yes, people love their pets like children.
Do you have a pet, James?
I do. I have a cat named Luna.
Luna. That is a pretty name. What does she look like?
She is black and white, like a little tuxedo. She's very sassy.
Sassy? What does that mean for our beginners?
Sassy means she has a lot of attitude. If she wants food, she meows very loudly. Meow, meow. She's the boss of the house.
Cats are always the boss. I have a dog. His name is Barnaby.
Barnaby. That sounds like a very polite British name.
He is very polite. He's a golden retriever. He's big, yellow, and always happy. He smiles.
Dogs that smile are the best. Listeners, if you don't have a pet, you can say, I don't have any pets.
But you can add, but I want one, if you want one in the future.
Or, I'm allergic. That means if you touch a cat, you sneeze. Achoo!
Yes, that is an important word, allergic. Wow, James, we have covered so much today.
We really have. Name, country, city, age, job, family, hobbies, favorites, pets.
It feels like a lot, right?
It might feel overwhelming, but listeners, remember, you do not have to say everything at once.
Exactly. Imagine if you met someone and they said, Hi, I'm James. I'm from USA. I'm 30. I have a cat. I like pizza. I hate winter. I have 2 brothers.
Whoa, slow down. That sounds crazy.
It's too much. A conversation is like a game of tennis.
Yes, I hit the ball, you hit it back.
I ask a question, you answer, then you ask me a question.
Let's demonstrate a short, natural introduction. Ready, Olivia?
Ready. You start.
Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm James.
Hi, James. I'm Olivia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you from around here?
No, actually. I'm from London. I'm just visiting. What about you?
I live here in New York. I work at the school down the street.
Oh, are you a teacher?
Yes, I teach English.
That's amazing. I'm a writer.
A writer? Wow. We should grab a coffee and talk about books sometime.
I would love that.
And scene.
See? That was short, simple, and natural. We didn't talk about my age or my dog or my favorite color.
We just focused on the moment.
Okay, friends, we are almost finished. But before we go, we have homework for you.
Yes, we want to meet you.
Please go to the comments section below this video.
We want you to introduce yourself. Write 3 or 4 sentences.
Tell us your name, tell us where you are from, and tell us one hobby.
For example, Hi, I am Marco. I'm from Brazil. I like playing guitar.
Or, Hello, I am Yuki from Japan. I love cooking.
Keep it simple. Don't worry about mistakes.
James is right. Do not be afraid of mistakes. We love mistakes.
Mistakes mean you are trying. Mistakes mean you are learning.
We will read your comments and give you a heart.
We really love reading them. It makes the world feel smaller, connecting with people from everywhere.
It is the best part of our job.
Well, Olivia, I think that is it for today.
I had so much fun chatting with you, James.
Me too. And thank you to everyone listening. You are doing a great job learning English.
It is not easy to learn a new language, but you are here, listening and practicing. That is amazing.
Be proud of yourself. Every day you are getting better.
Before you go, please remember to subscribe to Best English Podcast if you haven't already.
And share this channel with your friends who are learning English. Let's learn together.
Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are in the world.
Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.